This is the Nespresso Vertuo Next Premium. It's a fantastic little machine, and I'll show you exactly how it works. I love the fact that this whole thing will compress the pod automatically. That's a great feature because you don't have to rely on mechanism and things like that. It is just press it down, lock it in, and you are set. So nothing will, no mechanism to break, really. That's what it is. The water is in the back, as you can see right here. And of course, the water is ready within seconds. And all you need to do is press that button and you will get the most delicious coffee you've ever tasted. It is a 7.7 ounce pod. It's gonna make a perfect coffee every single time. The machine also comes with the frother to make that beautiful cappuccino, that really nice, rich, warm or cold froth with your milk of choice. And you can see the crema on top right there. That beautiful crema that this Nespresso machine has given us. Absolutely delicious, perfect coffee every single day.